Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase things on CapCut. First, access your project and select the clip you want to modify. Navigate to the Cutout feature, which offers powerful options for removing unwanted elements. This initial step sets the foundation for a clean and professional edit, ensuring your focus remains on your desired subject matter. It's the starting point for achieving precise results. Once your clip is selected, go to the Cutout tab in the CapCut interface. Choose the Remove Background option, and CapCut's intelligent system will automatically detect and eliminate the background. This feature works wonders for isolating subjects quickly and efficiently, often achieving great results in just a few seconds. Always review the automatic removal to ensure it meets your specific needs before moving forward. For more intricate erasing needs, select Custom Cutout within the Cutout tab. Here, you will find a brush tool that allows you to manually paint over the precise areas you wish to remove or retain. Adjust the brush size to about 25 pixels for detailed work, and use the feathering option to create smoother edges. This manual control gives you ultimate precision, ensuring even small, complex objects are perfectly erased. To remove moving objects or create dynamic reveals, leverage keyframes with your custom cutout mask. First, create your initial mask, then move your playhead to a new point on the timeline. Adjust the mask's position or shape to follow the object, and CapCut will automatically generate a keyframe. Repeat this process every few frames to animate the mask's movement smoothly, ensuring a seamless erasure throughout your video clip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.